Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today you can see what we have in front of us. This is a 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, and this is the car from the Hot Wheels Pop Culture series. As you can see, this is the Hot Wheels Premium Edition for the from the Forza series. So this is a second set that has come to India, and from this set we have got one car. First is the Barbie Corvette, and second one is this one, the Audi RS6 Avant. So I got this from Amazon for around 466 rupees. So this is the lowest that it has been went. So one of my subscriber told me that it has been went to the 466 rupees. So I just got this one also. Previously I got the Barbie Corvette, but that I got for something like 549 rupees, the original price that they are selling for this one. So 100 rupees less I got for Avant. So bought this, but when I opened the pack, right, I just got a little bit disappointed because as you can see, it's like broken from here and torn from here, and the card condition is not very good. If you see this, there is a crease all over the card and all. So this is the condition that they have sent, but it's fine. But for some sellers, like, they will just pack it like this and sell it instead of just wrapping the bubble wrap. They don't do so because in the shipping only it gets broken sometimes. So this is the case. So what we'll do today is that we'll just unbox it and see how it is from inside. This is the second premium that I'm going to unbox. The first premium unboxed was this one, 77 pack in Pesser. So this one is the first premium that I've ever unboxed. Now the second one is this one, the 17 Audi RS6 Avant, and let's do it. I think I'll just do the old style rather than cutting, but yeah, we need a cut here so that we can go inside. Okay, this is the very old way of unboxing any car. So we just turn the card and get it out. So yeah, the first impressions are this one. What? If you're able to see, there is some dust inside the car. I've not seen it before. Not sure how it went. If you see here, there is some dust inside it. It's not moving also. On the dashboard, let me zoom in for you guys. I'm able to see some dirt inside. I'm not sure how it went through. I think from the tires and all it went inside. But yeah, this is what we have. And weight wise, it is on bit heavier side because we have metal on metal and the real rider wheels here, they don't feel like rubber. It seems like plastic only, but if you press it, so here we have the look of this car. The first impressions are, I'm not sure why there are some irregularities on the paint itself. If you see here, there are lots of irregularities on the paint job itself. They're not painted it properly. Starting with the side, the livery is good. We can see the branding and all, Audi Quattro 24 Forza, and the Brembo, all those things. Side is very good, livery is very good, Audi Sport, and we can see a mirror over here. Then coming to the front, you can see the lightning over here. It's painted, the headlights, these are painted, there is no acrylic in it, and hood is also very nice. The grille is also good, but it's also painted, this is like a sticker. Okay, if you are able to see, yeah, there is no texture on this grille. And let me see in this side, this one also painted only, it's like a sticker, they have not textured. It's written Audi Quattro over here also. We have mirrors, they look nice. Windshield also, we have written this Forza thing over here, the branding, and there is some dust inside. I think this is the cardboard dust only that is went inside here. On the top also we have Forza branding and some irregularities over here in the paint job, as you can see. This side also the livery is same. Now coming to the back, we can see a Audi logo over here, number plate is Forza RS66, and some little brandings over there. We have tail lights look awesome from the back, it looks very nice if you see this, yeah. On the livery and all the paint job is nice, but on the top they have some irregularities, that's all. From front also it looks very nice, you can see the muscular look of the car, and it gives a sporty shine. Interior I'm not able to visible it properly, but yeah, it looks nice. It's on a heavier side, guys, because the base is of metal and the body is also metal, that's why you can feel the weight, because it's a premium, that's why. And it's written 17 Audi RS6 Avant RS6. This is made in Indonesia, and very nice car. I'm just giving a 360 look of this car, and the rubbers are very good. The tires doesn't feel like they are rubber, not sure why. Yeah, I like the white spokes. There are some small detailing on the livery itself, so that catches your attention. See, let's see a roll test, how it rolls. I'll just focus below now, and we'll see a roll test. Yeah, it rolls pretty nice. Nice job, Hot Wheels. And yeah, let me give you a 360 look of this car, and we'll close this video. Thank you, guys. We'll meet in next video. Until then, keep sharing, keep liking, and keep subscribing. I'll come with more knowledgeable and reviews in future videos, so stay tuned. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye.